Hello ladies and gentlemen, RC Bashboy here. Welcome. So today we're going to do an unboxing. The unboxing is for the Team Associated Short Course 10 SW, which is short for short wheelbase. Okay. So this is brushless powered, ready to run. So over here on this side of the box, we got all the option parts and accessories that you can get. Right, and this one does not come with the battery or charger. You have to provide your own battery and charger. And so before we go any further, I just want to let you guys know that I'm a bit disappointed of this unboxing due to the fact that I found out once that I unboxed it, I found out something that I don't know. We live in a time now where companies are just getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and I'll give you a, I'll let you know what I'm talking about here in just a little. Before I show you the actual truck, I just want to show you my 1/8 scale Team Associated Short Course truck. I mean, it's mint condition. I've only used it maybe a handful of times. And it is a great platform. It is ready to run. And this is how it came out of the box. Okay, this is how out of the box. Okay, this is what you got. So let me show you what I got. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 1/10 scale Team Associated Short Course short wheelbase. This is what you get out of the box. Okay. And now, you may ask yourself, well, what's wrong with it? To some people, you can say that people won't mind that this doesn't have decals. To see this in a box, right, and when you unbox it, you get this. To me, personally, it is a little bit disappointing. Why? Because you do fall in love with this livery, right? It's like, oh wow, when you open the box, you see something like this, right? You see, the decals, the livery that you see on the box. But no, look at what you get. What you get is you just get a plain body that you have to add the decals. I would like to mention also, you get all your books, your owner's manual, some sort of certificate, right? And of course, you do get the decals that you basically have to put them on here. Okay, I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. It's like if your wife, right, or some family member, right, asks you, hey, I need you to go buy a cake, but I want it for you to pick it, but I want it to be nice, right? So of course, it's like you see the catalog, right? And you look at the catalog, you basically do your research, do your homework, right? And then few days later you get there and it's like, oh, hey guy, here you go. All you gotta do is just do the rest of our job and add it. You have to put them, not us, you. Although it is a great truck, I will admit, also you got your receiver there. It is a very basic remote. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. I was gonna do a run. I basically went to the place that I usually film, and when I opened the box, to my surprise, I saw this, and I don't know. I was a bit upset because is this acceptable, ladies and gentlemen? Let me know down in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. You will see a running video of this comparison, right? If you want to do a slight comparison. So this is a 8th scale. This is the 10th scale. Obviously, look, put it there. It is slightly shorter, right? Yeah, so 10th scale, 8th scale. But yeah, look, this is a much different time. This is the times we live in, ladies and gentlemen. A plain white truck. I mean, might as well just build a kid, right? So, you will see a running video of this. And yeah, let me know down in the comment section what you think. This is probably like a rant, or you know, something that I guess I'm not happy with. I guess you can tell by my tone of voice. But let me know if I'm overreacting. Let me know if this is acceptable to you. Perhaps you maybe like it like this. Let me know. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.